welcome to school too.
Big brother, Naija, what did they do? It's real.
That thing don't have me to apply for that thing. Don't they hungry me? The one where they shock me pass. They go just they show person go one bath. They will just show one complete. Everybody go man and woman go there. They bath together.
We need to apply next year.
I must go next year.
Me? Next year I go enroll, I go. I not be the money I won't go win. You go see FA, any small team based on logistics. On logistics, it is city.
They look.
It is city.
Me, I don't want even go there go win money. Oh. The money no.
No, the money. Oh.
Even if na me first come out, but my enter go see all those things where they do.
They enter there. Next year, now me go first one. Me, I don't go.
Really? Na shukura be that. And you know say compound empty. You know say everything for this line opportunity.
Opportunity.
As they go back so that's what they do for Big Brother. We too fit do.
If we practice so that what if we practice her now? We practice her well. We can't win the prize if we go next year.
Now practice make perfect. You know what to go happen? Now me go first, you go.
Okay.
I will go peep. That bathroom actually the bath. I will peep.
What? Jesus!
What are you doing there? I want to throw away small dirty in that dustbin.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Please
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this episode. Keep watching School 2. Thank you. Yeah, peace. Let's go.
Let's go.
My name is Yinka Davis. In fact, the name surprised me small, no be small, but I will tell you. I beg, before now here, Mona watch, keep on watching. School 2.
School too.